for us Family Kitchen. Today we are with another recipe, which is Bombay Aloo, and here is my daughter, and she's also learning how to make the cookie, how to make the dishes. 1.5 onion, 1.5 tomato, a tablespoon of red chili powder, cayenne pepper, cumin, coriander, and salt. And we add the cumin seeds also, 4 or 5 curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 3 of potatoes. And let's start. Now I will add the garlic ginger paste and cumin seeds and curry leaves. Pinch of black seeds. All the spices in it. This is the end result.
Looks good. What's the mushy about? Let's go.
Hope you all have enjoyed this video. We will see you again with another beautiful video, and make sure you subscribe it.